If you are looking for a unit that is away from the hustle and bustle of Singapore, we might have just one for you. Welcome to 687D CHOA CHU KANG Drive. This unit is located at a very tranquil area, very low density area, but with plenty of amenities. This unit that I have on hand is a high floor 5-room flat, 110 square meters. We're also within 1 kilometer to 2 primary schools, namely Yew Tee Primary and Unity Primary. Look at the nature behind me. Your unit will be within minutes walk to this park connector that's within 3 to 5 clicks to the major malls like your Hillian Mall at Bukit Panjang or your Rail Mall at Upper Bukit Timah. Apart from being a spacious unit, this unit also boasts great privacy. Look at the block-to-block distance from our unit to the next block, a minimum of 50 meters. On top of that, we have a basketball court downstairs and plenty of gym equipments and playgrounds within the vicinity. So if you are looking for a high floor, 5-room flat, away from the hustle and bustle and a spacious unit, do look for me, Bryan E, at 904-76775, and we'll be in touch.